well, I talked to Sensei Gary Oberman, and off the top of his head, he cannot remember the name of the exercise either. But he's going to send me a link to a site, which, you know, whenever I figure out how to upload links, I will put the link in the description. Refresh my green tea here. It's scalding hot, so I'm probably going to burn myself. Yeah. So, but I guess the purpose of this video series is to say that no matter where you're at, you can always do a little exercise. You can always do a little Tai Chi. If you want to get into the, you know, energy flow part of it, you always want to do at least 8 of each of these exercises. These these come from the standard 18 Qigong. You want to do them balanced. You notice how, you know, I did 4 in one direction and 4 in the other direction. So anything that has 2 sides, we're always going to try to balance. I remember the name of this one. It's called Stepping and Bouncing the Ball. Okay? You always want to alternate right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. Okay? You know, you can pretty much go to the extreme that you want to with this, okay? The initial exercise, the beginner, is simply rising up on your ankle, not even doing a hop, okay? You want to rise up. You rise up on the same ankle as your rising hands, okay? All right, we're going to do that from the front view. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can stop it there, especially whenever you're first starting. It doesn't look like these, you know what I mean, will get the heart rate up, but they get the heart rate up pretty good, pretty fast. They get you. You know, I've never really done yoga. I've always joked that I'm not limber enough to do yoga. But these get you pretty stretched out, especially the upper part of your body. You know, I've never really got my legs all that much stretched out from doing Tai Chi. But then again, I never really tried. So we're going to do a side view here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So this next one, I believe, is called Gazing at the Moon. Okay? And this one, you know, there's a lot of visualizations that go on whenever you do this, and to me, it really helps the relaxation part of it, you know, because this is like a moving meditation. So here we go. That imaginary beach ball kind of thing that I was talking about earlier. All right, now I'm going to imagine I'm looking at the moon, going down, this actually puts a pretty good stretch on the back. So that's one. There's two. No, we're just getting on three. Can't get ahead of myself. So this is three. Okay, I think for the purposes of this video, we're gonna stop at 4 because nobody wants to watch me do that much Tai Chi this badly. But we will do kind of a side view too. Okay, grab that imaginary beach ball. See, I'm not doing this correctly at all. I'm not twisting my back, you know, but I'm just doing what I can right now. You know, there's more intricate detail to a lot of this, you know, just like many martial arts, there's many layers to each move. You know, there are, you know, specific ways and a specific degree that you're supposed to turn your back to and point, you know, this arm this way, and it all, you know, lines your spine up. The main thing, if it hurts, stop. This is not a no pain, no gain situation. This is pain, stop. Pain, stop. Don't do anything to hurt yourself, ever. This is not a Tai Chi move, but I just got to stretch. Whew. Okay, let's see. What's another one? There's 18 of these things that this man called Gary Core standardized. He's won a bunch of gold medals for Tai Chi competitions. I like his book. Another one that's good for the back and stretching. Wild Dove spreads its wings. And this is another one where you got side to side. There's a lot of these side to side ones. So we're going to do 4 on each side. Okay? Now, I haven't got into the proper Tai Chi stance, but there is a stance, and I will say this at the very beginning. Men should have their feet shoulder length apart. Women, you should do it hip length. They should be more straight down than that. In the harder martial arts, this is considered, you know, the beginnings of kind of a horse stance. And you want to do like a pelvic thrust here. You know, you want your legs to be kind of bowed a little bit and your spine straight up and down. I think they call that the Ming Men Po, but I could be totally wrong about this. It's been a long, long time. So, you know, you want to get your back straight, because, you know, this is all about getting your back feeling better. All right, where were we? Wild doves. All right, you want to get in your stance. You want to step out just like in the 70s and you was discoing. All right, pull back a little bit and rock forward again. This could be all wrong, okay, but this is how my body has always just naturally wanted to set into this. I don't visualize the ball so much on this one. I just kind of start with it. Oh yeah, stretch. Okay, there's one. Now, you know, you don't want to get your knee way far out over your toe, because that just creates a lot of undue stress on your knee. Okay, I mean, of course, the more advanced people always take everything to the extreme, and but that is a good goal to rock to, is your toe, your knee and your toe. So I think this is 2. I think that was 4. So you get back into your stance, step out on the left side. There's another one that goes right along with this, and I think it's called pushing the wave. Okay. Relax. You know, you can always stop and, you know what I mean, do any kind of stretching that you want to do in between. It's all about making yourself feel better, getting circulation going. All right, let's do that step out thing. Pull wave up, push it out, pull wave up, push it out, pull wave up. This is 3 or 4. Now, there's one called closing and balancing the chi. Okay? This is where I'm going to go off into the woo. Alright? Imagine a pool of water in front of you. Okay? Scoop that water up. Bring it up. Let it flow over you. I think I did that wrong. sure I did do that wrong. That is the right way. We shall return.